Preposition. On.
On.
In.
In.
Over.
Over.
Under.
Under.
Front.
Front.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Down.
Far.
Far.
Near.
Near.
Opposite.
Opposite.
Behind.
Behind.
Between.
Between.
Around.
Around.
Beside.
Beside.
Into.
Into.
Through.
Through.
First.
First.
Last.
Last.
Out of.
Out of.
Among.
Among.
Across.
Across.
Past.
Past.
Along.
Along.
Opposite.
Opposite.
Over.
Over.
With.
With.
Below.
Below.
Above.
Above.
In front of.
In front of.
At.
At.
Away from.
Away from.
From. To.
From. To.
Toward.
Toward.
Against.
Against.
Great. Now let's check what you've learned with a short quiz.
It's practice time.
Are you ready?
Last one. Can you choose the correct preposition?
In.
Look at the dog. Where is it?
Under.
Can you see the mouse? On, in, or under?
In.
What about the owl? What's the correct preposition?
On.
Look at the dog. Is it on, in, or under the box?
Under.
Where is the elephant? On, in, or under?
On.
Look at the penguin. What's the right answer?
Under.
Here's the owl again. Where is it?
Under.
Look at the dog. On, in, or under?
On.
Where's the cat? Can you choose the correct preposition?
In.
Look at the fish. Where is it?
On.
Now the shark. On, in, or under?
Under.
Now the shark.
In.
Look at the watermelon. What's the right answer?
On.
Where is the boy? On, in, or under?
In.